Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you've seen in this video, I have showered, gotten dressed and put a face mask on. I don't think I did it right because it looks really patchy, but it's fine. Welcome to my quarantine night routine type thing. I'm just gonna take you guys through my night and show you guys what I normally do. I'm gonna do my skincare routine for you guys now. Alright, and yes, I've been wanting to address this. So as you can see, I've added more posters to my wall and I got LED lights. I'm gonna do an updated room tour probably in just a few weeks. I just need to finish up this side of my room and then my room will be done. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and get something to drink and then I'm gonna go up onto the roof and watch the sunset with my sister and play some music and stuff. Come back, please. Oh my god. What are you doing? Heidi. So basically after dinner, my family and I just watched some Netflix and chilled a bit, and I think now I'm probably just gonna go brush my teeth and then get into bed. It's really cold, so I got into something a little warmer and comfier. It's just a pair of sweatpants and a hoodie. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're all still happy and healthy and safe. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Okay, bye.